It's a strange problem, isn't it? You dream about being fluent and watching movies without subtitles. But when it's time to study, we just freeze. We look at our phones, watch random videos, or just stare at the page. We feel too tired to learn even one grammar rule. Listen, I understand completely. I was in the same situation. Actually, it was worse for me. Every study time was full of frustration. But then, something changed my relationship with English. And before you think, oh great, another list of impossible tips, please wait a moment. What you are about to learn is not a list of difficult rules. It is not a study plan that is hard to follow. These are simple systems that really work. These ideas work with your energy, not against it. They are simple changes. I mean, truly simple. These changes turn your frustration time into growth time. In the next few minutes, we will explore a new way of thinking to unlock your English. This is everything you need to turn your fear of mistakes into your best learning tool. Most people make a mistake when they try to learn. They study for very long periods of time. But what they really need is consistency. Think about your vocabulary. It is not a big box you need to fill all at once. It is like a garden. This is where we use what I call the English snack. It is beautifully simple. It takes only 5 minutes a day. You can listen to a song and pay attention to the words. You can describe an object in your room out loud. Why is this effective? The time is not important. The frequency is important. You don't water a garden only one time a month with a lot of water. You give it a little water every day. This small habit sends a signal to your brain. It says, this is part of who I am now. Now, let's talk about the biggest problem for a beginner, the fear of speaking. Think about this. Your fear is like a monster that takes your confidence. It takes your energy before you even try. I will teach you a method I call the mirror protocol. Every day, for just 2 minutes, talk to your reflection in the mirror. Here's the most important part. Don't talk about what you should do. Talk about how you want to feel. Say, today I feel confident. Say, I am learning. Say, my accent is my story. Your brain has a special power to find a way to these feelings. Your room no longer is a classroom. It becomes a safe place for your voice. Grammar feels like a monster, right? This is because we try to learn every rule at once. I recommend a change. Stop thinking like a student. Start thinking like a sentence architect. Your mission is not to know all the rules. Your mission is to know how to connect 3 or 4 blocks. I like music. I like electronic music. I like electronic music because it is energetic. See? You are not memorizing. You are building. Every sentence you create is a brick in the foundation of your fluency. The difficult parts will become easy naturally. I promise. Learning English is not a test you must pass. It is your story. Every English snack, every conversation in the mirror, every sentence you build, it all connects. When you are curious and not afraid, something incredible happens. English stops being a problem. It becomes your guide to a bigger world. And hey, if this way of thinking makes sense to you, your journey is just beginning. Every story we tell here at English Tales Time is a chance to water your garden. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button so you don't miss the next chapters of your journey. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next story.